Is this a big mess?
Did you ring the doorbell?
Yeah.
Well. Yes, always have to do is open the door.
Jenny here?
Yeah, nobody told you last night?
No.
We went to surprise her.
I said, what the what car is that? How dare
The
you?
bell rang at 7 o'clock last night, and
Uh-huh.
I opened it up, and there she was.
Crazy lady.
Hey. How are you? Are you hungry?
Hey, how you like your kid, yeah?
It's good.
Oh yeah?
Look at this.
You can kick the ball, right?
Hey!
You can feel a little tightness, but
It sure was good to see you.
is she?
It was a nice surprise.
Did you get a hug?
I thought I told you. I only told Susie and Little Weasel.
She
She was an
didn't.
awesome secret keeper.
She didn't tell me anything.
Words the wise. Susie can clearly keep a secret.
And then Noy was at work, and Anna was in her room. So we thought, oh, we're not going to tell them. We'll just let them be surprised.
Really?
Jason kept a good secret.
You kept a secret. She's coming. And so then I thought to myself, I better get upstairs and clean that bathroom toilet.